Ever considered that the secret ingredient to your financial success might be hiding in your morning routine? Yep, we're talking about toothpaste. Welcome back to CoCo Finance, where today we're diving deeper than ever into the minty fresh world of toothpaste entrepreneurship. Let's not just squeeze, let's explore every ounce of opportunity this idea has to offer. Now think about it. Everyone needs toothpaste. It's not just a market, it's a part of everyone's daily life. This market is constantly growing, evolving, and with the right approach, it's ripe for innovation. Organic, charcoal-infused, whitening, sensitive gums, the list goes on. The niche possibilities are as endless as the flavors available. So, why not tap into this evergreen market and carve out your own space? But first, what sets your toothpaste apart? Is it the eco-conscious packaging that speaks to the soul of the environmentally aware? Or perhaps it's flavors that transport your customers to a tropical paradise with every brush, turning a daily chore into a mini vacation? Identifying your unique selling proposition, USP, is your golden ticket to standing out in this bustling market. Market research is like your first date with your potential market. You're there to listen, learn, and discover its deepest desires and pet peeves. It's all about creating that perfect match between your product and your customers' needs. Remember, in a market saturated with options, knowing your audience inside out is what will make or break your toothpaste empire. Venturing into the regulatory world might sound as fun as a root canal, but it's the backbone of your operation. Ensuring your toothpaste meets all health and safety standards means your business will be all smiles from a legal standpoint. This step is crucial. Navigating these waters with care will save you from a sea of troubles down the line. Whether you're starting small from your kitchen or aiming for mass production, remember, quality is king. This phase is where your brand begins to take shape, from the selection of ingredients to the design of the packaging. And speaking of packaging, never underestimate its power. Your packaging is the first thing customers will see, and making it as unique and memorable as your toothpaste itself can truly set you apart. Your brand is the personality of your toothpaste. It's not just what makes your product stand out on a crowded shelf. It's what makes your product memorable in the minds of your consumers. Dive into the world of social media, influencer partnerships, and stunning, Instagram-worthy packaging to create a buzz that's as refreshing as your product. Choosing where to sell your toothpaste is akin to choosing the right outfit for the right occasion. It needs to fit perfectly. Whether it's online marketplaces, local boutiques, subscription services, or even pop-up shops, make your toothpaste accessible and irresistible. Each channel offers unique opportunities for engagement and brand building, so choose wisely and always aim to delight. Now, let's brush through the financials with a finer comb. Understanding your startup costs, production expenses, potential revenue, and profit margins is crucial. We're here not just to make that dough rise, but to ensure it's well kneaded and ready for a successful bake. In-depth financial planning will be your roadmap to profitability. Feeling the need for some inspiration? Let's take a closer look at brands that have made a significant mark in the toothpaste world. These stories are not just about fresh breath. They're tales of innovation, perseverance, and market disruption. They're about entrepreneurs who dared to dream differently about dental care, transforming their visions into vibrant realities. Feeling inspired to disrupt the dental aisle with your innovative toothpaste? Remember, behind every successful brand is a simple idea, a gap in the market, and a passion for making a difference. It's time to turn that spark into a firework of success. Let's not just create another toothpaste. Let's create a brand that stands for something, a brand that your customers will love and advocate for. Thank you for tuning in to CoCo Finance. If today's deep dive into the world of toothpaste business has sparked your entrepreneurial spirit, then do us a favor. Hit that like button, share this video far and wide, and subscribe for more insightful, fresh financial content. Remember, the path to financial success might just be found in the most unexpected places. Until next time, keep smiling, keep innovating, and keep those finances sparkling.